Hi everyone, this is Michael from Ultimate Tech Hub. On this episode, we will install a one-way light switch using the Caseta Smart Switch from Lutron. The tools needed for this install are a screwdriver or cordless drill, wire cutters, and wire strippers or scissors. As always, cut the power off at your breaker box before you begin the installation process. Let's get started. And remember, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe. It's free. First, let's remove the faceplate. Now let's remove the old switch. Just 2 screws, easy. Next, unscrew the ground wire. It's the gold looking wire. Take your wire cutters and cut the 2 remaining wires from the old switch. Here's the new switch and some wire caps. Start with connecting the green wire to the gold ground wire. Use a wire cap. Next, strip back the 2 black wires about 1/2 inch. Connect the black wire from the new switch to one of the black wires from the wall box. Connect the red wire from the new switch to the other black wire from the wall box. Note, both of the load and hot wires are black in my wall box, however your wires may be black and or red. Connect the white neutral wire from the new switch to the neutral wires in the wall box. My wall box has 3 neutral wires connected together with a red wire cap. Unscrew it. Now connect the neutral wire from the new switch to the other 3 neutral wires and screw the red cap back on all the wires. Take the blue wire and cap it with a yellow wire cap. This wire is not needed. Carefully push the new switch back into the wall box, then turn the power back on to test that it works. Now screw the switch into the wall box and connect the faceplate. That's it, done. If you want to set up your smart switch to be controlled with the Lutron app, watch the next part of the video. Otherwise, thank you for watching. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's free. Now let's test the power button on and off. Now let's connect the switch to the Lutron app. Tap the wheel at the top left and select Add Device and select the product that we just installed, which is the switch. Hold the bottom button down for 10 seconds. The green light flashes when it's connected. Now choose the name of the location. Ours is Front Porch. Hit Next. Now select what type of light is being used. Ours is overhead light. Hit Next. Select Done Adding Devices. Now Front Porch is listed in the Lutron app. The light can be turned on or off using the Lutron app. A schedule can be set up as well, and the Lutron app can be added to Alexa for voice control commands. I want to thank you for being a part of the Ultimate Tech Hub. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, it's free. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. Thank you again for watching.